And now, another Max the Pug Blizzard update.
You know, boss, you really do need to get a hobby. Anyway, Max the Pug here with the latest blizzard update here in New Hampshire. It's snowing much harder now and getting dark, but that could be because I ate a stick of butter earlier. Oh, what's this? Oh, some cat fungus, I guess. Let me just run over here and show you this cement foundation. Well, you just don't get coverage like this anywhere else. Well, Max the Pug here. Check back for more updates. Stay safe.